Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the speed up tricks on the Samsung Galaxy A56. Okay, so let's begin. So first let's go straight into the settings. Now we want to scroll down a little bit until we find the apps. We're gonna start with the apps. Now let's look for the apps that we are interested in. Let it be the... Basically it can be anything, but let it be My Files. You can scroll down into the storage, and if you want you can click on Clear Cache. It's gonna save you a little bit of the storage space, and you can perform it with any app on your phone. Okay, now we can go into the device care, which is above the apps. As you can see now it looks great, but we can start with the battery. In here you can enable power saving, but it's not a thing that will speed up your phone. It will only save your battery, so we can turn off this mode. Let's get back into the settings, again into the device care, and now into the storage. Okay, so now as you can see that 12% of the storage is used from the 256 gigabytes. And below we have the trash, unused apps, duplicate files or large files. So in the trash, as you can see, it's one item. Currently it's gallery. I don't know why gallery, but you can free up space by deleting files from the trash in your apps. So I don't know why. Oh, no trash. I don't know. I think it has bugged. I don't know why the gallery appeared in here, but that's not necessary right now. So basically in unused apps or in duplicate files, if you have something in both of these options, you just simply click and you can delete what's in those two options. Okay, now we can go into the memory. It's gonna perform a scan, so let's wait a little bit. As you can see, we can clean 1.1 gigabytes. If you click on view more, it shows from which apps you're gonna save some storage space. So basically if you don't want something to be cleared, you just unselect it right in here by simply clicking on this small circle. But I'll just leave all of them, and now you simply click on clean now. Now the cleaning process has started. Let's wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, and we just have saved 1.1 gigabytes. So we don't need to do anything in memory for now. Also in performance we have the auto optimization. And in here you can select the auto restart of your phone. You can select on restart on schedule. In here you pick the days of the week. So let's say I want my phone to be restarted each Wednesday at 3 p.m. Let it be. Now simply click on done. So basically now each Wednesday on 3 p.m. the phone will automatically restart, and then will be ready to use. Also, if you want, you can perform a restart manually. You need to hold the power button and the volume down button. Okay, now we have the power menu, and now you just need to simply click on restart, tap again, and now your phone will be restarted. It's good to perform a restart from time to time, because by performing this you delete the running processes in the background, and by performing the reset you will delete them, they will stop, and it will also boost the speed of your phone a little bit. Okay, so when we are finished in the settings, sorry, no, we're not yet finished. Also we have the software update. It is also good to have your software updated, so you can click on download and install. It's gonna check for updates for now, but as you can see, the software on my phone is up to date, so I don't need to install the latest version, but if you have to, simply do it. And here we'll have the button to install. You just simply need to click on it and then wait until the update will be finished. Okay, so now we can go into settings again, but now we want to scroll down into the bottom and get into about phone. Now the software information, and now we want to tap on build number a few times. Now you need to draw your pattern. Now click on OK, and now we get access into the developer mode. It's below the about phone, as you can see. In here you can enable it or disable, and in here basically in those options we want to turn off the 3 options, which I'm gonna show you. You just need to keep scrolling until you find the window animation scale, transition, and the animator duration scale. So as you can see, by the default they are on the 1x, each 3 of them. But if you want to get a little bit of a speed, you can put them on 0.5x or select them on off. So let's say I want everything on off, and now the phone should work faster than normal. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.